Welcome to our tutorial on using Microsoft Copilot for creative assistance. This video is designed for technical college employees who are interested in learning about this innovative tool. Here are 3 ways that Copilot can be used to jumpstart your creative process and help to get things crossed off your list. First, brainstorming and idea generation. Second, clear and concise writing. Third, assisting with documentation. Let's take a look at examples for each.
Let's talk about brainstorming and idea generation. With Microsoft Copilot, you can generate ideas for projects, papers, or any topic you're working on. Simply type in a question or a topic, and Copilot will provide you with a variety of ideas and perspectives. Microsoft Copilot can also help you explore new areas in your field. Just type in a broad topic, and Copilot will provide you with industry trends and advancements. Additionally, Copilot can help you generate questions for your next meeting or class discussion. Type in a topic, and Copilot will provide thought-provoking questions. In terms of writing, Copilot can help communicate your ideas clearly and concisely. You can input a rough draft, and Copilot will help refine it, ensuring clarity and conciseness. Use Copilot to help you translate complex technical jargon into simple, understandable language. This is particularly useful when communicating with non-technical colleagues. Furthermore, Copilot can help you write persuasive arguments or proposals. Just provide your key points, and Copilot will craft a compelling narrative. Lastly, let's discuss documentation. Whether it's technical documentation, meeting minutes, or course outlines, Copilot is here to assist. Input your requirements and watch as Copilot generates a detailed, organized document. Microsoft Copilot can also assist with creating templates for recurring documents. Just provide the key sections, and Copilot will generate a reusable template. Finally, Copilot can help you create step-by-step guides or tutorials. Provide the task, and Copilot will generate a detailed, easy-to-follow guide.
With Microsoft Copilot, the possibilities are endless. It's not just an AI tool. It's your creative partner. Start exploring Copilot today and take your work to the next level. Check out the other videos in the series for details on using Copilot.